introductions to the IoTs. So we will discuss about IoTs, how IoTs comes, and how we know about the basics concepts, work behind the IoTs, what is the journey of IoT till date. So we discuss each and everything about IoT in the introductory part of IoT. After that, we cover IoT architecture. In IoT architecture, we see how the IoT will work and what architectures or frameworks followed by the IoT. After that, we discuss about hardware component used in IoT. So, like a Raspberry Pi, Arduino Uno, and others hardware components we will discuss in these sessions. After that, we discuss about IoT programming and development. Here we discuss about language, multiple language we can use here like Python or C or C++ in programming side and develop some applications and demonstrate those applications that how we can implement IoTs with the hardware. So IoT programming and development at that part, we discuss lots of things in both the part hardware as well as software. After that, we discuss IoT, Internet of Things in networking, how we can connect multiple devices and get data from one device to another device, transfer data from one device to another device, and lots of things we will discuss in this session. After we discuss about data management and analytics. So this is a very much important part in IoT point of views because in all these applications of Internet of Things, we use data, and the management of data and analytical parts of the data was very much important to discuss. So in these sessions of data and management or analytical parts, we will discuss these things. After that, we discuss IoT securities. So in this topic, we will cover security parts of network devices, networks, and softwares and hardware, how we can secure using IoT because there is lots of loophole when we are talking about networking and when we are talking about to connect one device to another device while from link or mediums, then there is a security lag. And how IoT will overcome this security lag, we will discuss in this sessions of IoT security. After we discuss about IoT applications, some multiple applications, we discuss multiple applications and how they work, what technology they use, how they implement it, what's the use of those applications, how we can change our daily life by using these applications. So we will discuss all things in IoT applications part, as well as we also are looking forward to develop some applications. And then after we discuss about the prototyping and projects in IoTs. After completing the prototyping or the projects in IoT, we will discuss future trends in IoTs. So this is all about the contents of this course, and in this course we covers these many topics, and one by one we will discuss about all these. So without wasting a time, let's get started with